Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this is a wire bending technique. So the horizontal and the vertical, if you see this 30 by 60 triangle, if you know the horizontal and the vertical in the drawing, okay, in the isometric drawing, we have a vertical shadow. So this is the vertical shadow, okay. In the actual, so this is our 30 by 60 triangle. In this shadow, the shadow is like this. Okay? Shadow like this. And also the hour 5 is a vertical like this. Okay? Now, if the horizontal is um if our horizontal is, so this is our line, and we have, and our horizontal is this, our horizontal shadow, and the actual triangle, this is our triangle, and the actual line of this triangle of our line is like this is not a vertical, and this is the horizontal. Okay, like this. Okay, the position is like this. So this is our shadow. Okay, and the vertical shadow, so this is our shadow, and the horizontal shadow, which is like this, our horizontal shadow in this line. Okay, in actual wire bending, okay, this is our wire bending. In actual wire bending, this is important because this is always an interview in the power Peter. Usually you must know, though, for the first timer of the 5 feeder, being a 5 feeder, but in the expert in the 5 feeder, you know this already. Okay, but the first time 5 feeder, you must know this one. Okay, so the line of the horizontal shadow for this wire is like that. Okay, we have a shadow here. This is horizontal, and if the vertical shadow, if we have a vertical shadow, okay, so this is our vertical shadow, and our line like this. So this is our vertical shadow. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have learned about this wire bending, and more videos come about this wire bending. So have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next time. Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this is a wire bending technique, and we have a drawing here. This is an isometric drawing, and this is a normal bend. So this is all is 90 degrees, and we will count it the 90 degrees elbow. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have a 4 90 degrees elbow. So how to bend it this into wire bending? So this is a very simple. Okay, you must know first the orientation. So we have orientation north. Okay, this is important northing. Okay, for the wire bending technique, this is a very simple, and this is our first. We have one, and we have a two line. This is a line two, and going to, this is a going to north. This is our north. This is like this, north, and also make it, this line is going up also. Okay, like this, and going to south. Okay, this is the wire in actual wire bending. Okay, we have an orientation here. This is north, south, east, west. So this is our elevation 2000, and we have elevation, let's say this is elevation 1500. Okay, so this is the wire bending technique. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this is a wire bending. So we have a drawing here. So this is isometric drawing. If you can see this drawing, we have a vertical shadow. So this is this line and this line. We have a normal bend. So first things you need to do is the orientation. Okay. Let's say we have this is our north, this is south, and this is east, west. Okay, so this is called an orientation. This is very important to read the isometric drawing. This is the orientation. Okay, and also for the wire bending, so this is a wire. For the wire bending, you must first check the orientation. Okay, also the next is the elevation. Okay, let's say this our elevation is 5000, and we have elevation here is 3000. Okay, so it means this elevation is higher for this elevation. Okay, to bend this wire, check the northing. So we have a north, this is our north. So first make it our wire is horizontal for this, square for this line. Okay, make it north it. So this is our north, and then this line is going down. So it means the elevation is 3000 and the elevation is 5000. It means this is going down. Okay, this is down, and then this line is going to east. Okay, and then make it bend to going to east like this, and then we have a line going to north. Okay, this line is going north. Make it proper and squareness, so our bend is a good and beautiful. Okay, now next we have a line going here. It means this line is going to west. Okay, like this. Okay, next we have a shadow here. What shadow is this one? This is a vertical shadow. It means our line is going up, vertical. Okay, so this is a vertical shadow. We have a shadow here with a vertical shadow. Okay, let's review our bend. You must review your bend before you give it to the interviewer. Okay, so we have one line, 1, 2 going down, 3, and this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6 going to a vertical shadow. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have learned about this video for a wire bending technique for the 5-meter, and this is important for the interviewer. You must know this, the wire bending, so that the interviewer is impressed to you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Hi, again, we are here the bending procedure. Okay, so this is our northing. Northing, of course, this is the east, west, and the south. It's very simple. First, this line, and this line, and this line going to north. Okay, like that. See? And you see this elbow? This elbow is 45 degrees. 45 degrees northwest. So our line goes this is 45. The normal is like this. That's the normal. But our line is 45 degrees. Down. Going down and then going to north again. Okay. One, two, three, going down, 4 and 5, going to north. Okay. It's very easy. Just always see to our northing.